you appreciate Māori values, beliefs, traditions? Do you want to play a part in ensuring tikanga practices are nurtured? Do you want to see the next generation benefit from embracing Māori worldviews? Tikanga has been evolving for thousands of years and handed down through the generations. Our He Tikanga Whakaaro program is part of that tradition and teaches a broad range of Māori knowledge to enhance your life, your whānau, hapu, iwi and community. Through our specially designed program, you will work through 4 learning modules: tikanga marae, mana tangata, hauora and rangatiratanga. You'll be able to demonstrate a broad understanding of marae social structures, the key attributes of mana wahine and mana tāne, understanding of hauora and rangatiratanga, and how they enhance mana Māori and well-being. In this fees-free program, you'll learn from the comfort of your home. You'll be provided with a learning kite that you'll work through throughout the year whilst being supported by regular visits from our kaitiaki, one of our experienced learning guides. You will need to have access to an internet-connected digital device to fully participate in this program. We're here to support your goals and success. Here at Te Wānanga o Aotearoa, we offer a range of free services including student support, program support, online tools and access to our world-class facilities around the country. For more information, see our program details online at twoa.ac.nz or come see us at one of our 80 sites around Aotearoa. See you soon, e whā mā.